In the heart of a bustling research facility, a generic lab researcher embarked on their daily journey of scientific exploration. Their days were a harmonious blend of precision, curiosity, and tireless dedication to uncovering the mysteries of the natural world. Each morning, the lab researcher would begin their quest by meticulously planning experiments. Armed with a notebook filled with scribbled ideas and hypotheses, they would consult with fellow researchers and their principal investigator to set the course for the day's work. This collaborative effort was essential in ensuring that research objectives were aligned and achievable. With a sense of purpose, the lab researcher would move to the laboratory bench, donning a white lab coat and safety goggles. Experiments often required a delicate touch and an eagle eye for detail. They carefully prepared the necessary samples, ensuring that each element was measured, mixed, and handled with the utmost precision. The samples, ranging from intricate biological specimens to volatile chemical compounds, were their canvas, and the experiments, their brushstrokes. As the experiments unfolded, the lab researchers' focus remained unswerving. They observed, recorded, and analyzed data with a fervor akin to an artist capturing the essence of a moment in time. The hum of laboratory equipment and the soft glow of computer screens provided the soundtrack and backdrop to their scientific ballet. Yet, science was not solely about conducting experiments. The lab researcher knew that to be a true researcher, one had to be a voracious reader. They spent their afternoons diving into scientific literature, absorbing the knowledge of those who had ventured before them. This constant influx of new ideas and discoveries fueled their own creative thinking and inspired innovative approaches to research. The laboratory was not just a place of work but also a realm of responsibility. The lab researcher took great care to ensure that the lab was in pristine condition, conducting regular equipment maintenance and meticulously labeling samples. Safety was paramount, and they always adhered to strict protocols, mindful of the potential hazards inherent in scientific exploration. Communication was a vital aspect of their role. The lab researcher frequently engaged in lively discussions with colleagues, bouncing ideas off one another and seeking advice when faced with unexpected challenges. They eagerly anticipated the opportunity to present findings at conferences and meetings, sharing knowledge with the wider scientific community. Occasionally, experiments would throw unexpected curves, forcing the lab researcher to don their troubleshooting hat. They approached such moments with a sense of determination and curiosity, viewing them as opportunities to learn and adapt. Throughout their journey as a lab researcher, they remained unwavering in their commitment to ethical research practices. They treated all living subjects with the utmost care, whether they were cells under a microscope or human participants in clinical trials. They were keenly aware of the ethical responsibilities that came with their role and upheld them with unwavering integrity. As the sun dipped below the horizon and the laboratory lights grew dim, the lab researcher would reflect on another day of scientific exploration. Their work was a symphony of dedication, innovation, and discovery, and they knew that, one experiment at a time, they were contributing to the ever-expanding tapestry of human knowledge.